Hi friends, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today I am going to be unboxing my flash sale. The box is not too big. I ordered quite a few items and I wanted to share with you how it comes from the Happy Planner itself in case you don't order from them, or if you're just curious what I got in my on the flash sale. So here we go. I'm going to open the package with you guys and see what's inside. So it comes usually nicely bubble wrapped, and I got that meal plan and a budget tracker. I got the rainbow mega sticker book. I'm going to move this box away so it will be easier to lay everything out. So this is the 5066 pieces. I got the horizontal layout sticker book, the layered boxes sticker book, colorful boxes sticker book, which is the monthly boxes, I think they're called. The I love stickers, the pastels and the brights. And then we have memory keeping, two of them. One is your year, one is I'm not sure. And then colorful boxes too, which I never had before, which I'm kind of really excited to have. So I'll be using them pretty soon, I think. They're a little bit different. I'm just flipping through them because I've never seen them in store or otherwise. I just started planning in July of 2019, decorating my planner. Prior to that, I was just planning without actually doing any of this. I'm just flipping through some books and just seeing what they look like, and this one is quite beautiful. So actually I'm gonna do a flip through of all of the value books. The mega books I'm not, because it's too much, but I am going to flip through for you guys of all the books that I received or that I purchased on the sale. So I'm just gonna do quick flip throughs of all the books. Here we go, enjoy. Okay, that's all. I hope you enjoyed that. Those flip throughs are truly like those stickers in the flip throughs are truly gorgeous. I can't get over how beautiful they are, and I can't wait to use them and create some spreads with you guys. And I hope you stay tuned for the next video that's coming up soon. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you more than you know. And if you're just visiting, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really truly appreciate it. Thanks. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.